Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to other. Before we look into other, we're looking to the last video from my side. This was the first video, the second video I also made, and today we make the third video. And in the first video, I show you here that we will go to the downside. The price was $1.65. And even earlier, I said to you the price will go to the downside. You can see 46 dislikes. Yeah, people or clouds or something people already sleep here. And you can see the price is going from this place to the downside. So now we have here the situation. The prediction was true. So now we have the problem that we have here, the situation that we fall out of this range. Yeah, that means you can see we test this again. Um, let's look more in general what we have here. We could say, okay, this is not the important part. Important part is this here. We have the negative channel, and that what at other, which is danger at other from other side is that we have this gap here. If you look here from here to here, so and that makes a danger that we could fall in the next move to this area. Again, what I said last week, at the Bitcoin price, we have the situation that we test this level here one time, two time, three time, and this time I think we will go to the downside. Let's look to other, and you can see we have a similar situation here. We have here this trend line. So I think if we have now power to go here to the top side, the next move will even worse than this. Yeah, then I think let's check. Yes, it could be happen that we fall here to these levels back. You can see also here we touch this nearly here one time, two time, three time. Okay, we call not this fourth time, and the five time we could go to the downside. So it's highly risk here. And the second thing here is this was the short-term channel. Yeah, the long-term channel is this. Yeah, so you can see that we have place in direction of 20 cent. So it is not so clear here. I would say we fall here to the downside, and we could stay here at $1. And then I think we could test this level here again, something like that, because this was very important level. And then the last move could take the price really to the downside here. Yeah. So I would say next week is very important. You can see from the title, the Moon Boys and the clowns will cry, because this is, I think this is not a positive formation, especially if this is happening here to going back to $1, then you can see that we will touch this one time, two time, three time. We will see a move to the top side. Yeah, some of the clowns will write in the comments, yeah, the price is rising, why you predict wrong. And then the price will go to the downside. So let's look to Bitcoin price. Here is important. If we coming in these areas here, then is danger. Yeah. Next week is very important. If you have the possibility to break this to the top side here, only this here, going to 40,000, then you can forget this all what I show you. Yeah. So the market is here volatile. Yeah. I think it could also happen that we make here this move to the top side. Yeah, to test this level here. So yeah, that we're going back to 44,000. But I not believe in that. All signs look that the price will go to the downside. So let me check. So if you have the power to go to the top side, then this level is for us important. This could go. That is the last point, yeah, in which we can go to the top side. But personally, I not believe in that because the trend is so negative that makes no sense if we go to these levels back, yeah. But I'm not saying 100% we will go to the downside because there's a risk maybe 10% we could go. Yeah, so I'm not saying, but I would say to 70-80% that we will go to the downside. So we're looking to back to other. And if you look to this here, then you can find the breakout point was this year, end of or mid of December, and this was 18 cent. And people who not sell here at these levels, they should ask himself that this is not a good point to stay here long, to wait that the price can go to the top side, I think. Yeah. Let's check. We're looking to RSI. Yeah, we could go here a little bit to the top side here to test this level, this move, and then finally we going in direction of 28 RSI, I think. Yeah, we not yet reached the downtrend or down prices. So have a nice day. See you later.